Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the eraser on the Darkroom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the select image button, and new you can select a picture from your gallery. New go to the eraser option next to the brush icon at the bottom of the screen, and here you can set the size of your eraser and you can erase on your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.